Kadalasan, pag sinabing stress, negative na agad. Pero alam niyo bang may dalawang uri ng stress? Oo, ito yung tinatawag na eustress and distress. So ano nga ba ang kaibahan? Ang eustress, ito yung tinatawag na positive stress. Ito yung nafe-feel natin whenever we are starting a new job, when we are learning something new, o di kaya when we are preparing a speech to be presented in public. At the moment, di tayo mapakali, nape-pressure tayo, but these emotions excites us, it challenges us, and it motivates us. As a result, it pushes us to grow, to do better, and go out of our comfort zone. On the other hand, ang distress naman, ito yung negative stress. Ito yung nafe-feel naman natin whenever we lost someone important, whenever we are experiencing a heartbreak, or di kaya may mga calamities at nagkakaroon ng problema ang families. This affects our mental health, our physical health, and nagkakos nito ng anxiety. Kung ang eustress ay nakaka-motivate, ito naman ay nakaka-demotivate. At the end of the day, walang exception when it comes to stress. Lahat tayo nakakaranas nito. But we have to remember that we have control over it. Kasi nga, it's not a matter of what is thrown to us, but of how we choose to respond.